Hello, students. Today we will study the definition of news. So, what is news? This is actually an age-old question without a clear-cut answer. And according to a popular belief, news, that is the letter NEWS, has been coined as an acronym of North, East, West, and South. And it connects information coming from all the directions. But news in a modern journalistic view is not just any bit of information, and it is easier to understand news than to define it. So there is a famous saying which I believe most of you will be familiar. When dog bites man, it is no news. But when man bites dog, it is news. So this is of course gives an idea of news. So now let us, however, have a glance of some of the definitions of news. So news first is the first definition that I have given here is news is anything you have come to know just now. And the news is a report of any event, idea, or opinion which affects a large number of people. And next, news is a compilation of facts and happenings which will be interesting to readers. Before the definition, news is exciting information about activities, like regarding money, sex, crime, and politics. And the news is what the newspaper prints, what the radio, television, and the new media announce from time to time. And news consists of all activities which are of human interest, and the best news is that which excites the readers of many people. And next, we are going to study the categories of news. I have listed eight categories here. Actually, no, the editorial study of Thomas Foundation that outlines actually 20 categories of news, but we are not going to study all those 20. Just I have listed or I have picked main seven categories here, and I have listed that here. First one is unusual happenings. Unusual happenings like man lands on the moon or a wife beats husband. All these unusual happenings, it is all something that has never happened before, or it's extremely unusual. That is unusual news. And the matter of a personal impact, what enters the average reader in daily life becomes news. The government announcing bonus to its employees, or end of strike, this recent strike by the opposition party, or by any public workers. So all these are matters of personal interest. And the third one is crime. So crime of any kind is hot news. We know that. House breaking, chain snatching, e-teasing, bride burning, murder, loot, riots, and kidnappings are all topics followed avidly by readers. So all these are, all these types of incidents will definitely interest readers. Next one is sex. So this is a topic of never-ending interest to mankind. It finds a prominent place even in the most respectable magazines these days. So the more sordid and bizarre the incident, the greater the curiosity about it. And the next is disaster and tragedy. A ship sinks in a storm, or an earthquake, or a major flight accident, and the destruction. A fire devastates a slum, or a minister dies in an accident. All sorts of accidents, hit news. Next is health. Stories of new cures for incurable disease have greatest attraction. A use of wonder drugs for the recent pandemic, like COVID-19. So all these definitely will impress readers. And the seventh one is human interest. Human interest, like stories like a child born with two heads, um, poor man wins lottery, or a taxi driver returns a bag full of money to his client. So all these are human interest stories. Next, scientific achievements. Scientific achievements like space flights it will hit headlines. Genetics and electronic devices dazzle even the most conventional people. The Nobel Prize winners,